Yo, this is the Savage Scientist on this 25th day of Vlogmas 2024. And I just left my mailbox and got this mysterious package in the mail. Let's see what this is. Let me see if I can. Alright, so open. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. Alright, so it's a letter. And alright. Still wrestling trying to get this out of here. Alright, so it looked like it's some liquid stuff here. That's what the hell is. Alright, so it looked like it's stuck in the bag here. Damn, what the hell is this? Alright, finally got it out. Alright, so what is this? It looked like it's lemonade? Lemon lime lemonade like shit? Alright. And the letter. This is a gift from the Swampland Department of Public Safety, Corrections and Public Safety. We will sponsor your channel. Lemonade and bread. What kind of gift is this? I'm going to send this to my son. If you don't make good grades in school, this is the type of food you will be eating. Let's try out this good gift here. Lemonade and bread. That's only something that you will find in the good state of Swampland. I guess that's what they feed the prisoners on Halloween. Yeah, it looked like this should be a Halloween gift. And they didn't even pick the good bread. I mean, look at this damn bread. This is the first and last slices of the damn bread. Well, I should have smelled it first. It's not stale, but pretty good bread here. I mean, let's try the lemonade too. Might as well. Yeah, this is how you get this kind of stuff open here. All right. Lemonade. It's not bad. Lemonade, water looking stuff. And so I am glad to have a sponsor on my channel, my very first sponsor. And this lemonade and bread is not my meal for today, but it would have been a damn good meal. You know, I'm trying to get buff and swole on y'all, so y'all know when I come back, I'm gonna be around here. Lifting cars and stuff, so that's gonna be coming soon one day on my channel. And you know, there's probably a 0% chance of that happening. So I'm not gonna waste too much of your Christmas day. If you're watching this on Christmas Day or your day after Christmas, this is the Savage Scientist Ed, and I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. And these videos will probably continue, so if you haven't subscribed, subscribe for more. And a lot of this stuff is going to be on my channel, error prone, because we about to get back into the programming. So, Merry Christmas on this last day of Vlogmas 2024, and peace out.